if I just let my hands go?
Yeah, hands up is more fun actually.
Hey Brian, this is wet. Wait, I don't want to do this. Oh shit. Andrew. Let's do this! Andrew, I love you. I love you too! Oh god.
Alright guys, let me know when you're ready.
Yes! Oh my god, yo, that made my trip. Oh my god. Yo, look at this view, son. Oh my god. She was hot. Oh my god. Oh my god, that shit is fucking crazy. Yo, what the fuck? Yo, we went upside down. Yeah, I know. Oh my god. Oh shit. That was hot. That shit was crazy. Oh my god. Yo, imagine I opened this.